Hi guys, welcome to the Reach tutorial. Today we're going to go over the new dashboard. Really a lot of the functionality has carried over from the current one, but there are some additional features which we'll kind of talk about and check out. Right away when you sign in, you're basically going to get this list view. We are giving you guys two options to either stay in the list view, or if you prefer the tile view, you can click up here and this automatically changes. I'm kind of going back to the list part. So obviously the left side here is showing your PC names, whether it's online, offline, building, location. Again, you can restart the actual software, you can reboot the player, or you can get a screenshot. Again, visually, the reason why these are two different colors is because we're trying to let you know that, hey, this player is offline and this one is online. You can see here it's kind of mingled through, which ones are online and which ones are offline. Obviously, if you had more than what I have, maybe you have like 50 players or you have 100, and really you just want to kind of, see which ones are offline. If you click the status part, it reorganizes it. So it shoots all the offlines up top and then all the onlines on bottom. Again, maybe you just wanted to see building wise. By me clicking that, it's a little shortcut, but it reorganizes it alphabetical order. Some new features here. So currently, if you wanted to restart the player and you have maybe just a couple, right now you have to go one by one. So you have to go to each player, you have to restart. So with this new dashboard, we've basically created some shortcuts or some quicker ways to do that. Up here in this little kind of little icon here, if you click there, we could refresh all the players at once. So what I would do is I would select this, I'd come here and then hit refresh. This again will obviously, the ones offline, it's not going to restart, but it would definitely take these 4 or 5 that are online. Maybe I only want to do 2. Again, what I could do is just select here, come in here, hit and refresh. So that's kind of a new feature, kind of a new shortcut. Another thing is create folders. So this is brand new as well. We're really trying to help you guys just stay organized. We understand that, if you have a lot of players and maybe they're spread out, based on regions, or maybe they're spread through states. What you could do is create a folder, dump those players in there. And again, it's just really for organization purposes. So to kind of walk through that, we'll hit create folder and then we'll give, obviously that folder a name. So I'll just do Reach in-house. All right, kind of had additional space there. And then here are all my player names. So I could come in here and say, okay, I want these 3 in this folder, and I'll hit OK. Now this folder is created. I've got a little notification down here on the right. And then if I come in here, here are my couple folders that I've created. So we've done the Reach in-house, and then here are those players that I've established in there. Maybe later on, if you decide you want to delete the folder, know that the player is not getting deleted. This is really your home base, is the one that says all players. You guys actually wouldn't be able to create any or delete any players. That is something only Reach employees can do. So a couple new features here on the right side. Obviously the top part is going to give you your network health. So again, we're giving you some sort of diagram letting you know which ones are online, which ones are offline. We also have a third section called degraded. The middle part here, Reach announcements. This is our way to communicate to you guys. When new features are coming up, we'll have some text here, we'll have tutorials. Right now we do have it in our support tab. We have little sneak peeks there. Again, we just really want to make sure that anyone that logs into our system, they know what's going on with Reach. They know things that are coming on board. Then the last part would be the notification. So this is yourself, you're internally, maybe you and your team, your guys are updating announcements, you guys are in there, uploading videos. It's really just letting you guys know what's going on. Some examples would be maybe social media. If that account expired, you'd have some text saying like, hey, your Twitter, it's expired. Then anyone and everyone who signs in, they would see that and make sure that, it's staying up to date. Videos, maybe if I worked for you and I upload 30 videos, I walk away. Again, if you signed in, you would see all the videos that are uploaded. So it's just kind of really an internal communication for you and your teammates. Besides that though, that's kind of the quick walkthrough of the new dashboard. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to call or email us. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.